Well, at least the rain cleared up for a little while. That's the dirt road that I have to cross to get to the motel for my car in the parking lot. That's as close as you can get to the motel without parking in the front, but that's always taken, so you're never going to find a parking space out there. And it's only 2 hours. Alright, I'm on my way to the gallery in Breckenridge. Come along. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to go down there. It looks like a fish pond down there. It's a deep, deep road. There we go. Boy, the mountains are beautiful though. This is Frisco, Colorado. It's a few miles from Breckenridge. It's right next to the freeway as well. Pedestrians are king here. You have to stop for them no matter what. And there's my hotel. The shot of the rain in the hot tub was out my side window of my room this morning. Thank goodness it cleared up. Okay, Breckenridge is about 9 miles from Frisco. It's a beautiful drive though. You can see the sailboats out there in the marina. I don't know what the name of that lake is, but it is beautiful. Oops. Well, as you can see, it snowed last night and this morning, and it's getting mighty close to the valley here. Alright, I'm coming into Breckenridge now. Nice little ski community. There's the Breckenridge Fine Art Gallery, where I'm showing. I'll take you on a tour later.